Hello everyone, welcome to a world where numbers come alive and problem solving becomes fun. So get ready to sharpen your skills, think creatively, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning simple equations. As we know what is meant by an equation. In an equation, there is an equality sign. In an equation, there is an equality sign which we have already learnt in the previous session. Okay, now let's see some examples. 3x plus 11 equals 32, and in this we have already learnt that this is LHS. What is LHS? 3x plus 11 and 32 is RHS. Second example, 6y minus 5 equals 7. 7 is a constant term, minus 5 is also a constant term. 6y is a term. Okay. Third question, 3m is equal to 5 by 3. And fourth one is b plus 3 whole upon 3 equals 7. So these are some examples of simple equations. So in simple equations, there should always be an equality sign. Now let's see one more example. 4x plus 5 equals 65. Can I write 65 equals 4x plus 5? Yes, both are one and the same. So is same as 65 equals 4x plus 5. Are you getting? Similarly, the equation, let's see the next equation. 6x minus 25 equals 4x plus 5. Now, can I write in place of 6x minus 25, can I shift this entire algebraic expression towards LHS? Yes. So 4x plus 5 equals 6x minus 25. Both are one and the same. Is same as 4x plus 5 equals 6x minus 25. Are you understanding till here? Now in the later class or in the next class, we will be learning how to find out the value of the variable. It means the question will be given 4x plus 5 equals 65. Find the value of x. 6x minus 25 equals 4x plus 5. Find the value of x. So this type of sums we are going to learn in the next session. Now next example. 6y minus 2 equals 5 is same as 5 equals 6y minus 2. Okay, it means an equation remains the same when the expressions on the left and on the right are interchanged. When the expressions means algebraic expressions. So this property is often useful in solving equations. Now let's see few questions. We are going to see some questions based on how to find out solution of an equation. Let's see. The question says, check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution of the given equation or not. It means they have given you some value of the variable. For example, x is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and so on. Okay, you have to check. How will you check? You have to check whether the value which is given in the bracket is a solution of the given equation. Now how to find out the solution of the given equation? In the previous class We have already learned what is LHS and what is RHS. Okay, so let's proceed with that particular procedure. First question, n plus 5 equals 9, and they have already given you the value of the variable, that is n is equal to 1. Check whether the value given in the brackets, so here n is equal to 1, is a solution or not, is a solution of the given equation, and the given equation is n plus 5 equals 19. Very easy method. Just see, consider LHS first, n plus 5. Now you can write putting, or you can write, instead of putting, you can write the word substituting. Putting n is equal to 1 comma we get. So LHS, what you are going to get? In place of n you can put 1 plus 5, which is equal to 6. And RHS, what you have, they have already given in the question. Can you see? LHS value is 6 and RHS value is 19. Since this math symbol is called as since LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore n is equal to 1 is not a solution of the given equation. When can the value of the variable be satisfied? Only when the value of LHS will be equal to the value of RHS. Until and unless both the values are same, then only you can say the particular solution of the given equation satisfies, otherwise no. Next sum. The question says, check whether the value given in the bracket. Now see, the given equation, and they have given you the value of the variable as n is equal to 2. You have to check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution of the given equation or not. So this can be found out by LHS RHS method. Let's see. Solution. First you have to consider what? LHS 7n plus 5. Putting, in place of putting you can write substituting. N is equal to minus 2. We get, so what you will get LHS as minus 2 plus 5. You know board mass. Okay, so apply this rule. 7 2s are minus 14 plus 5. So LHS what you got? Minus 9. Are you getting? And RHS what they have given? 19. So what I will write? Since LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore n is equal to minus 2 is not a solution of the given equation. Next sum. 7n plus 5 equals 19. N is equal to 2. Let's check. Solution. Again the question says you have to check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution of the given equation or not. So for that, what is the procedure? You have to put n value as 2 in LHS and then find out the value of LHS, and then you have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. Now let's see. LHS, you have to consider LHS as 7n plus 5, putting n is equal to 2 in 7n plus 5, that is LHS. So what you will get? LHS equals 7 into 2 plus 5, board mass. Apply board mass rule. Board mass means brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So multiplication 14 plus 5. Therefore LHS what you got? 19. Now you can see RHS is also 19. It means what? Since LHS equals RHS, therefore n is equal to 2 is what? Is a solution of the given equation. Is the solution of the given equation. Next sum. The question says 4p minus 3 equals 13. P is equal to 1. You have to check whether the value given in the bracket, that is P is equal to 1, is a solution of the given equation or not. And the given equation is 4p minus 3 equals 13. Please like and subscribe my channel, because The steps, the methodology and the procedure which I am teaching, 100% result will be scored by you all. So try to follow these steps, and these steps are quite easy. You can apply in your exam. Consider LHS 4p minus 3, putting p is equal to 1 in LHS. Okay, so what you will get LHS as 4 into 1 minus 3. So LHS is what? Therefore LHS equals 1 and RHS you have 13. So what will I write? Since LHS is not equal to RHS, so P is equal to 1 is not a solution of the given equation. Next sum. Again the question says check whether p is equal to minus 4 is a solution of the given equation 4p minus 3 equals 13. Solution. Consider LHS 4p minus 13, putting, or you can say substituting, p is equal to minus 4 in what? In LHS. So what you will get LHS as? LHS means left hand side. Okay, so 4 into minus 4 minus 3. So minus 16 minus 3. Therefore LHS is what? Minus 19. RHS means right hand side. They have already given 13. Since what will I write? LHS is not equal to RHS, P is equal to minus 4 is not a solution of the given equation. And what is the given equation? 4p minus 3 equals 13. Next sum. Now let's see one interesting subtopic which is called as trial and error method for solving simple equations. To solve simple equations, we can even follow trial and error method. Now let's see what is the exact meaning of this. Trial and error method for solving simple equations. It involves substituting different values for the variable. Variable means in place of x, you can write putting x is equal to 1, putting x is equal to 2, putting x is equal to 3 and so on. Okay, substituting different values for the variable until LHS of an equation equals to RHS. Now let's understand this by one example. Now, once LHS and RHS are equal, the substituted value, it means for example, if you have substituted x is equal to 2 and you got LHS is equal to RHS, it means x is equal to 2 is the final solution of the equation. Now, let's understand this step by step through one example. Okay? Question 1. Solve the equation x plus 7 equals 10 using trial and error method. Now these steps are not supposed to be written in the examination paper. These steps are just to understand how to find out the solution of an equation by using trial and error method. Now step 1. First, identify the equation. Identify the equation means what? You have to write down the equation you want to solve. That is called as identify the equation. So I have noted down the equation. Step 2. Set up LHS and RHS. It means what? Separate the equation into LHS and RHS. So LHS equals what? X plus 7 and RHS equals 10. Step 3. Start guessing. Very important. Start guessing means what? Substitute different values for the variable. It means what will I write? Putting x is equal to what? 1. Putting x is equal to 1, we get. So in LHS, that is x plus 7. It means 1 plus 7. So LHS is what? 8. And RHS is equal to, already they have given, that is 9. Are you understanding? So start guessing. Substitute different values for the variable in LHS and see if it equals the RHS. No, LHS is not equal to RHS. Are you understanding? Okay. Now, step 4. Verify and repeat. What do you mean by this verify and repeat? If the LHS equals RHS for a particular value, okay, that value is the solution. If not, try another value. Now we have written x is equal to 1 where LHS is not equal to, so here I'll write LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is your trial 1. Are you understanding? Now trial 2. Trial 2. Putting, what you will write? Putting x is equal to 2 in LHS. So LHS is what? X plus 7. 2 plus 7, which is 9. Now LHS equals 9. RHS they have already given equals 10. Now verify and repeat. It means what? If LHS equals RHS, then that value is the solution. But here in this case, you have to try for another value since LHS is not equal to RHS. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Let's start with trial 3. In trial 3, what you are going to write? Putting x is equal to 3. So what you'll get? You get in LHS, if you put x is equal to 3, it means what? 3 plus 7, which is 10. And RHS is also 10. Can you see? LHS is equal to RHS. Are you getting? It means if LHS equals RHS for a particular value, which value? X is equal to 3. Then that value is the solution. So step 5 is the solution. Solution means the final solution what you got. So what is the final answer of this? Therefore x is equal to 3 is the final answer. And why did you consider x is equal to 3? Since LHS is equal to RHS, therefore x is equal to 3 is the solution of the equation. And this we have learnt by using trial and error method. Step 1, identify the equation. This is one example. Step 2, set up LHS and RHS. It means separate LHS and RHS. Step 3, start guessing. So putting x is equal to 1, putting x is equal to 2 and so on till you get the exact value. Okay, and step 4, verify and repeat. And the final step is step 5, that is solution. If LHS equals RHS for a particular value, then that value is the solution. Next sum. The question says solve by trial and error method for the given equation. And what is the given equation? 5p plus 2 equals 17. So just recollect all those 5 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and step 5. What is step 1? Identify the equation. So the given equation is what? 5p plus 2 equals 7. Step 2, LHS equals 5p plus 2, RHS equals 17. Now in step 3, what they said? Start guessing. You have to start guessing. So putting p equals 1. So LHS equals 5p plus 2, 5 into 1 plus 2 board mass. So which is equal to 7. LHS equals 7. RHS equals 17. Since LHS is not equal to RHS, it is not true. It is not true means p is equal to 1 is not the solution for the given equation. Now this is trial 1. Okay, trial 2. Trial 2, putting p is equal to 2. LHS equals 5p plus 2, 5 into 2 board mass, 10 plus 2 which is 12. So LHS equals 12, RHS equals, they have already given RHS as 17. RHS as 17. Since LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore it is not true. Trial putting P equals 3. LHS equals 5P plus 2, that is 5 into 3 plus 2. Board mass 15 plus 2, that is 17, correct? And in RHS also you have 17. Are you understanding? What is step 5? Step 5 is the final solution. Therefore, P equals 3 is the solution of an given equation. I hope you understood. Next sum, trial 1, trial 2 and trial 3. Very, very important method. The question says solve by trial and error method. Solve the given equation by trial and error method. So try to solve with me so that even you will get the correct answer. Recollect all those steps. Step 1 to step 5. Solution. Identify the equation. So just write down given 3m minus 14 equals 4. Setup LHS and RHS. LHS equals 3m minus 14. RHS equals what? 4. Step 3. Start guessing. It means putting m equals 2. Can you write m equals 2? Yes, we get. So LHS equals 3m minus 14. 3 into 2 minus 14, that is 6 minus 14, which is equals minus 8. So LHS is minus 8 and RHS equals 4. So this is your trial 1. It is not true. It is not true. So let's check with trial 2. Putting, what you'll write? Putting m is equal to, can you write 1? Okay, let's see. We get LHS equals 3 minus 14, that is 3 minus 14, which is minus 11. So LHS and RHS, what you have? RHS is 4. Since LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore what? Not true. Can you check with trial 3? You can proceed with trial 3 and max you can check with 4 trials. Okay. Now can I write putting m is equal to 6. Let's see. M equals 6. So what is LHS? 3m minus 14. So 3 into 6 minus 14. 18 minus 14, which is equal to 4. And in RHS what you have? In RHS also you have 4. It means LHS is equal to what? RHS. So your final solution. What is your final solution? M is equal to 6. This is your final answer. Now here I want to show you one trick. So please understand this trick. Just find out by maximum 2 or 3 trials. In case if you are not getting the answer, okay, what you can do is that trick, solve it with pencil and after that you can erase, or you can leave it as it is, but do not leave, just erase it. Okay, so 3m equals, therefore just this you are going to learn in the next class, how to solve an equation, fine, but here I am just showing you how to find out the exact value of m. Okay, so but you are not supposed to solve by one trial. At least try with trial 1, trial 2, maximum trial 3. Okay, now plus 14, 3m equals 18, m equals transposition method. It means m is equal to 6. In this way, you can directly find out the value of m is equal to 6, but you cannot apply here because the question says what? Solve by trial and error. Try till you get the answer. So, trial and error method. But you can find out whether your answer is correct or wrong by this recheck method. So, in this way, today we have learned how to find out the solution of an equation when the value of the variable is given. You have to find out by by LHS is equal to RHS. And the next very important method, how to find out the solution of an equation by using trial and error method. So that's it for today's lesson. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to make mistakes as they are part of learning. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share what you learned with friends. I'll see you in next class. And do you know what are we going to learn in the next class? It's very important method. It means how to find out the solution of an equation by transposition method. That method is called as what? Transposing method. So let's see in the next class. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.